These are the elevators at the Mann Library at Cornell University, Ithaca, New York. Let's go down to S, which is locked. B, basement is not locked. Let's go up to 5, which I think is locked. 4, we can go to 4. We are at 4. Let's go look at the atrium. Pretty cool. Anyway, let's go back down. Shocked me with static electricity. Let's go down to the basement. Here's your cab view. £3,500 capacity, as you can see here. And let's send this one back up and catch the other one. You can hear the motors. Let's see if you can go down on this one. I don't think you can. Nope. Let's go 5, 4. Let's go down the basement. Here's your cab view. Pretty much the same thing as the other one. Here's our basement. It's a big foam panel. And let's end it down at, or up at 1. Again, £3,500 capacity. Here's your directory. There's also some information about the door art, as you can see here. And that'll be it.